Good day guys, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, and in my channel I share different premium updates and tips on how you can make money for yourself. Okay, so if you go through my previous video, you can learn different skills that you used to pay money to learn before, but now you are going to learn them for free, from freelancing to arbitrage to blogging and all of that. But in today's video, I want to share with you a secret on Upwork freelancing, on how you can be able to bank at least $100 to $200 and above every week. Okay, do you hear me? You're going to be making $100 upwards to $200 above every week from Upwork. And if that thing interests you, I want you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Just drop Upwork in the comment section, so I'm going to notice you before I drive you into the main guide. Okay, so I'll give you 10 seconds to do that before we move straight into this main guide. Okay guys, so welcome back from that short break. Like I said, that in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to bank at least $100 Upwork, $100 every week from Upwork freelancing. Now there is no big deal. Okay, this is my Upwork profile, and it's very easy to get started with Upwork. Okay, just go to upwork.com and then register for an account for yourself. Okay, and you can actually use my profile to actually edit your own profile. So I'm going to drop my profile link in the description of this video, so that you can use it to create a lookalike or get the tips on how to edit your own profile. So I don't want the video to be long, at least just 7 minutes and we are done. Just want to give you this secret so that you can get started with your journey to making at least $100 to $200 above for Upwork. Now Upwork is where you can get job, and there are 3 kinds of job you can get in Upwork. Okay, we have the up project job, and then we have the milestone job, and then we have the per hour job. Now you can see in my screen that I have worked for 444 hours. Okay, now this is different from this total job. I have 13 total job, and I have worked for 444 hours. Now the 13 job comprises of all the types of job that you can do on Upwork, whether it's a milestone job, whether it's a full-time project or a per hour job. Now for you to be able to bank at least $100 and above every week from Upwork, you should focus your energy on the per hour job. That is where you're going to get your own total hours. So I've worked for 444 hours. So it's not all my total job that gave me 444 hours, but only my per hour job. Okay. Now with that said, how can you be able to differentiate between a per hour job and a milestone job and then a up project job? I'm going to show you that right now. Now if you go to your Upwork or find job, okay, the find work section, you're going to see different jobs holding down your news feed. Okay, and then you now see the job description. So from the job description, you're going to be able to know whether that job is a per hour job, an up project job, and whether it's a milestone job. And for you to be able to make at least $100 every week, you should focus on a per hour job. Okay, not a milestone and a contract job. Like for example, now we have this job here: details of seed of angel and seed investor. If you click on it to read more on the job description, you discover that it's a fixed job. Okay, so you see that if you do the job, you just get $20. This is not the kind of job you want to be chasing on in Upwork, because if you chase this kind of job, you might not get a lot of money, because this one is an all project job. It's a one-time offer. Okay, you do the job and you get just $20. So you leave it. You go for another one. This one is for NFT promotion or NFT social influencer. If you look at it now, you are going to discover that this is a per hour job, because you can see that the client wants you to work for 1 to 3 months, and he's taking for less than 30 hours per week. Okay, let me bring on my calculator. Let's do some small calculation. Okay, so let's assume you are working for this client now. He's taking for less than 30 hours a week, and on a minimum, client normally takes freelancers 10 hours per week. And let's say this client is paying you, is bidding from $6 to $75 per hour. Okay, as you can see right here in my screen, this client wants to people from $6 to $7 per hour, and he wants them at less than 30 hours a week. And from my experience, This $30 a week, 30 hours a week usually stop from 1 to 10 hours. So let's say you are being taken at the least of $6 per hour, and you are working for 30 let's say 10 hours for 1 week. 6 times 10, you're going to get 6 times 10, you're going to get this thing, $60. Okay, you're going to get $60 for 1 week, and in 1 month you're going to get 60 times 4. Okay, you're going to get $240. That's if you are charging this client $6 per hour. But you can see that the client wants people that are from $6 to $75 per hour. So you can increase your hourly rate. Because let's now assume that you are charging this client $15 per hour, $15 per hour now. It's going to be 15 times the first week, which is going to be this $10 hours, which is 150 this thing, $150 per week. Okay, that is $15 per hour for 10 hours per week. That is $150 per week. And for a month, it's going to be $600 per month. And since you want to take it for 3 months, it's going to be times 3. It's going to be $1,800 per for the 3 months. So this is how to actually bank over $100 from Upwork weekly. Okay, you target per hour jobs. Okay, per hour job. So how do you work a per hour job? Now currently I'm actually working on a per hour job. Okay, this is it. I hope you can see my screen, and this is how the per hour job is being worked now. As I am actually doing this video right now, my time tracker is on, which means that I'm working for a client. Okay, which is actually not true, but this is just a sample that I'm showing you now. So you can see that this is actually counting the hours. Okay, and you can see that today I've done 2.5 hours work today. So whenever as I'm working now and this is on, actually counting the time I'm working and taking screenshots for my clients to see. So you can see it right here, my work library, how the thing takes screenshot of my per hour jobs for my client. So at the end of the week, Upwork is going to send my client billing, and then my client will now look at this record that is being taken by the Upwork Time Tracker. It's an app that you can install on your desktop. It's not available yet on Android device. So if you're having an Android device, you're going to have challenges working for per hour jobs. So you can see right here, in every minute, Upwork Time Tracker takes record of of all my activities. So let me just quickly off it, so it does not take record of this video tutorial now. Okay, I've off it. So you can see I have stopped my time tracker. So if I want to start working with my client now, I'm going to watch on my time tracker. So as I'm working, it's calculating per hour the time. Okay, and then it's also increasing my income in for that week in my report section, as seen in my screen. Okay, so you can see that for this week I have worked $170 and I still have work to do. Okay? So with this strategy, you can be able to bank at least over $100, $20 from Upwork every week if you focus on getting the per hour jobs and not the one-time offer or the milestone job. Okay, now like I said, that this is not yet available for those who are using Android devices, but you can actually still have a chance to work per hour job with your Android device if you agree with your clients that you are going to be fixing your time manually without Upwork actually tracking it for you. Because if you look at the time tracker here, you have what we call the manual time. Okay, this manual time means that you are going to add time by yourself. Okay, so let me show you how it works now. If I click on the add manual time, you can see I can now add the time I worked, start time and end time here. But the only disadvantage is that this does not give you protection. Upwork does not protect your working hour because you added it manually. So because there's no screenshot or any proof that you actually work for the client. Okay, so it's going to be how you have you and your client agrees to how you're going to work. But basically, every per hour job, the client wants to see the screenshot of everything like I showed you in the past. Okay, they want to see the screenshot of how you worked and how Upwork tracked your activities. Okay, so with the help of the time tracker, you can actually work per hour job. So if you're a serious freelancer, you need to have a laptop. Okay, so that you can be able to target this per hour job. So it's this per hour job that is being recorded in your total hours worked in Upwork, not your milestone jobs or your one-time fixed price correct. So it's your per hour job that is being recorded in your total hours worked in what? In Upwork, and that is where you make the big money from Upwork freelancing. So if you have any question concerning how to make over $100 or more every week from Upwork, kindly drop it in the comment box, and I'm going to give you the best way to reply. And like I said, this is a secret, okay? So you can go ahead to start using your connect to start targeting per hour job instead of you to just target any other job. So if you want to make more money from Upwork, focus on getting per hour job. Like you can see right here now, I have a job going on. This job started right from December 27th last year, and it's $15 per hour. So I've made how much now? I've made $1,040 $40, and it is just in I've worked just 69 hours. Okay, so the more hours I work, the more money I get. And you get paid every week. That's the best part for per hour job. Every week you get paid. So if you work 5 hours a week, you get paid for that amount of money at the end of the week. So this is just one of the secrets to make this amount of money from Upwork every week. So if you have any question, kindly ask. And if you want to know how to write the best proposal to get you per hour job, go back to my channel, and I have done a video on the kind of strategy I used to write my Upwork proposal, okay? And I dropped some templates for you to download, okay? So do well to go back there, watch the video, download the template sample, and use it to target per hour job in Upwork. And if you have any challenge, you can actually join my Upwork varsity, okay?